don't know about Tide Power Pods, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey everyone, it's Jessica. Today I will be talking about my winter favorites that I have been enjoying. So if you're interested, keep on watching. About to get into household items I've been using to wash my clothes with recently. And when I say recently, I mean these past 2 years. Is this Tide Hygienic Clean Power Pods in the original formula. If you don't know about Tide Power Pods, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I first got introduced to this when I went away. I used them on my clothes before I left, and I was just like, what? I have been using liquid detergent for so long until I got introduced to this, and I was just like, I gotta get this. If you have like big loads of laundry, these are good to use because these are like the bigger ones. This is my prediction. This is, I think, the softener. Either the green or the blue is like the detergent. And then I don't know what the other one is. It says it removes visible and invisible dirt. Invisible dirt. Does your favorite detergent do that? If you're looking for something that is very heavy duty, very strong, and you can still smell the product in your clothing after washing and drying, this is your girl. She's small, but she can do great things. Remember that. The great part about using these Tide Pods is that there's no liquid mess, there's no pouring, there's none of that. All you have to do is place this underneath your clothes into the washing machine and let it do its thing. Get this today. The thing that I love to put in the washing machine with my clothes and the Tide Pods is Downy Unstoppable's In-Wash Scent Booster. And it's down to like the nitty gritty. All you have to do is open this, pour a little bit into the cup. This is what the beads inside look like. And put it into the washing machine with the Tide Pod. Let me tell you something about your clothes. They're gonna come out good. The thing that I have been loving is Ultra Snuggle Blue Sparkle with fresh release. Still want to stick with liquids, or if you don't have access to Tide Pods, this is great to use as a softener for your clothes. I feel like it does get the job done as far as like leaving your clothes nice and soft, but also making them smell good, especially for your sheets. This is definitely a go-to for your sheets, so check this out. It's a 10 out of 10. Another thing I've been enjoying to use on my clothes and to remove stains for a very long time now is this OxiClean Laundry and More Stain Remover. Yeah, this thing is definitely color safe. I've had no issues with it. I don't feel like it weakens my clothes either. Some chemicals could be so harsh that your clothes get pretty weak and pretty worn out pretty quickly, but I feel like with OxiClean, it doesn't do that, and it gets tough stains out quickly. Another thing that I've been loving to use around the house is this Fabuloso. It's a multi-purpose cleaner. I got it in the scent Ocean Paradise, and it's this pretty blue color you can see at the end. I like to use it basically like to clean the sink, the toilet, and it's pretty affordable. This can definitely be found at Dollar Tree. This one is this Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails Gummies. It's 2,500 mcg biotin per serving, and it comes with 80 in the pack. Right now it's empty, but I did speak about this in my hair growth video, so if you're interested you can watch that. You take 2 a day, preferably with a meal. Usually these can be found at any drugstore, and I think they go for, a lot of times they're on sale, buy one get one free at CVS, so I would definitely recommend checking that out. Another empty item that I've been enjoying is this Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer Sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF 15. So what I like about this product is that it's a moisturizer and a sunscreen protected in one, and is gentle enough for my skin. My skin tends to be on more of the sensitive side, so I do like using this every day. Kind of sad that it's empty now because I don't know if this exact one is still on the market. So if you've seen this pretty recently, you can let me know in the comments down below. If you have sensitive or delicate skin, I would definitely recommend you try this. But if it's no longer available on the market, what can we do? Another beauty product that I have been enjoying using is this Carmax Classic Lip Balm, and it's medicated. It's like my go-to chapstick. I like using it under my lip products. Like right now I have on this NYX lip gloss and I have on a clear lip gloss. I like using this as a base, and then when I'm not wearing anything at all, I like to have this just to keep my lips nice and moisturized. Usually you can find these at Target in a pack of 4 for about less than $5, so probably like $4.50, somewhere around that area, but I think it's pretty good. Another thing that I've been going to this winter is this Sally Hansen Double Duty Base and Top Coat, and this is what the bottle looks like. I have some on my nails right now. Got on 2 coats, you know, a little shine, a little gloss, glossy gloss. This goes for about maybe $5 to $7 at drugstores, but yeah, it gets the job done. I don't know if it lasts long, but it does what it says it does. It dries pretty quickly. That's another thing that I like about this. So if you're looking for a fast drying clear nail polish, or more on the affordable side, check out this Sally Hansen Double Duty Base and Top Coat. Tell them I sent you. Another beauty item that I have been enjoying is this Mentha Lip Tint, and it can be found at Bath and Body Works. I believe I bought this probably about $7 at the time. Yeah, but now I think it goes for like 8 something. Been loving it. I actually have some on my lips right now. I feel like it lasts long and it gives my lips somewhat of a tingly feeling. It's kind of soothing, but it also gives that shine. And it also smells really good. It smells like mint. So if you like mint flavor, check it out. Look at that gloss. Right now, I have it on top of a lip combo, and this is what it's giving. Other things that I have been enjoying are my lip combo. My lip combos. What I'm wearing right now is this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline and this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Eclair. They go together. If you watch my everyday makeup routine, you'll see that I use these. And this MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Such a pretty dark brown. Goes good on the lips, goes real smooth. Thing that I've been enjoying is for the face. Ulta Beauty Smart Skincare Solutions Rosewater Facial Mist. I did mention this in my everyday skincare routine. I did show how I use it. Did I set my face with today? You guessed it. This Ulta Beauty Rosewater Facial Mist. I feel like it keeps my face hydrated, blemish free, all the good things that you would want, or that I would hope you would want in your skincare. This usually goes for about $10 and it's from Ulta. And it says, give your skin the pick-me-up it needs with this refreshing facial mist infused with hydrating rosewater and aloe. I love that it's gentle enough for us sensitive, delicate skin people. Another thing that I have been loving this winter is this E.l.f Lip Exfoliator. I've known of this for about a decade, and I used it back then, and then I got back to using it just recently because who wants chapped lips, right? So this is what it looks like. It's just this brown sugar type of situation in the shape of like a lipstick. Very convenient packaging. And what you do is, I actually have a video on how I use this as well. I can link it down below. But what you do is you scrub your lips, wipe the sugar off, go in with your favorite moisturizer on top, maybe a lip gloss, you're good to go. And I think this goes no more than like $5 from Target. So those are the products I have been really enjoying using this past winter as far as life goes. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something new. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the journey. Peace.